Nothing like a chilled glass of chas or buttermilk in summer. I love it. Especially when you add this homemade chas ka masala. It tastes really awesome. Apart from using it for chas, I also add it to raitas, dahi wadas, dahi bhallas, or even some fruit salads. Fresh fruits like watermelon, pineapple, kiwi, guava, even they taste good when you sprinkle a little bit of this masala. So today I'm going to share with all of you how I make this masala at home. In summer especially, I use it a lot. I'm sure you will like it too, and you can adjust the ingredients according to your liking, less or more. Ingredients required for chas masala: black salt half teaspoon, pink salt or normal white salt quarter teaspoon. You can adjust according to your taste and liking. Crushed black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chilli powder for color half teaspoon, Asafoetida or hing half teaspoon. You may skip it if you don't like or add less or more. Roasted cumin powder 2 teaspoons, dried mint powder 2 teaspoons. This is homemade. You can dry the mint leaves in the microwave and then powder them. Amchoor powder 1 teaspoon. You may add little less or more as per your liking. If you like it tangy, add more. Ginger powder 1 teaspoon. For your reference, the ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now add all these spice powders and salt into a bowl. Give them a nice mix. Break the lumps of the salt if you find any with the back of the spoon. Once it is mixed very well, check the taste and adjust if anything is required. It's so flavorful. Now store it in a dry bottle, sterilized bottle. You make as much quantity as you want. I make very little and fresh. As we are 2 of us, this is only added a pinch in any dish. So you can double the quantity if you want. Store it and use as and when required. It was so simple and easy to make with all the ingredients available in our kitchens. So prepare it also and give it a try. You can flavor many dishes with this. Apart from flavoring the chas, you can also add it to your fruit salads, dahi wadas, dahi bhallas, watermelon salad, fruit and vegetable salads, Raitas, and dahi puri, all the other charts. So friends, I hope you like this video. Check out the other videos from the archives. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Have a nice day.